Alright. Yeah. What we have here is a $5 body shell. That sticker says $5 that I bought a long time ago off eBay from an Australian. This is a VS Commodore flexi-car body that I've just painted and it's going on that chassis there, sorta. Well, that chassis there, and that one will be racing it. That one's getting a forward body eventually, when I can figure out the pins. The rear pins are a bit wrong. This one, this fits straight on there. Look, yep. This fits straight on there. So, what's going on? I painted it. I don't know what the hell it's going to come out like. So, shall you join? Are you going to join me and we'll unwrap it if I can figure out how to. I've painted it in Jägermeister colours because I like Jägermeister colours, so it'll be a Jägermeister Holden Commodore VS 1988, somewhere around there, circa 1988. I've got 3 of these bodies up front, I think, or 4. Oh, there goes the price sticker. This was sprayed using Tamiya orange, Jägermeister orange, basically. And white as a filler, so to give it at least some sort of reasonable. See, it's an old body, it's breaking. It will get reinforced. I can guarantee that. I'm going to reinforce it with tape and glue, because I don't want it to. I want this one to stay good. Masking tape. There we go, coming off. Ah, son of a gun. I'm in a good mood. Otherwise I would have said something a bit stronger than son of a gun, like son of a machine gun. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have said that, it was too strong. But I'm in a good mood, so I won't say it again, you know, son of a machine gun. Oh, god damn, there it goes again. This tape's coming off nicely. Ooh. This is hard doing this in the camera. Right on the phone. Next to the window masks. Yeah. VS Commodore, there you go. Tail lights. What's that say? Copyright. Sunset 1998. There you go. So I must have bought it somewhere around the turn of the century. VS Com. Got to get trimmed out, of course. See how the windows come up. Could be worse. I'll probably trim them in black, so on the outside, so it won't matter in the end. Old slot car bodies, eh? Getting used. A radio control car. Who'd have thought that radio control would come that far? I feel like singing, but I won't do that. I'm not insured for it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'll trim those windows in black. They deserve it anyway. Plus I'm going to do these in black. Those posts. Do that from the outside. Get a nice black line on there. Maybe use mask. They need to be trimmed in black too. Pretty happy with that all up. Not too upset at all. It'll make a nice body. That comes up very nice. I love that orange. I love orange. Well, I don't really, but I love it. I like it on a car. It looks good on a car. McLarens. I love McLarens because they're orange. Well, that and they're McLarens, but you know, this has a sunroof. Check it out. Sunroof. VS Commodore. Had a lot of luck with the Scale Lexan VS Commodore in class when I was racing slot cars. Had a few victories with that. VS, that was a fast car. So maybe this one will be just as much fun. Thanks guys. Keep the rubber side down. Copy later.